Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete all quick ads on Snapchat. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. First of all, you have to go on the Snapchat and here you have to go on the friends add section. Now once you are in there, our edit section or quick add section, you have to click on it. Now here you can add the contact to add friends. You have to continue it. Now you have to go back and capture the snap. Here you are able to share this snap only with your friends. Now you have to go back and go in the settings. Here you have to scroll down and go in the privacy controls. Now you have to go on the quick add. Here you have to remove the stick mark to not appear in other Snapchat quick add if you share mutual friend or other connection. So this is how you can delete all quick add on Snapchat. Thanks for watching this video.